You can see him interviewing Stephen Chow in the Kung Fu Hustle DVD. You can see the results of his creative consulting in Kung Fu Panda, opening June 6th at a theater near you. You can read his works in more books and magazines than we have time to list here. You can Wikipedia or Google him. He likes it when you Google him. Or you can watch him stumble out from behind the curtain at the end of this introduction. Ladies and gents, your competent MC for this evening, Rick Mayers. By the way, he wrote every sentence of that. He did.
Except the mispronunciation of my name. It's Myers. I feel like a knife at a gunfight. I feel like a mouse at a cat house. I feel and probably look like a cockroach on a wedding cake. But it doesn't matter how I feel or look. It matters how you feel and that you look at the 2008 FanimeCon Masquerade. Are you ready to raid? Are you ready to raid? Are we ready to raid? Well, we're not ready to raid. We're doing walk-ons. Pretend I wasn't here.
I'm back. Sorry about that. Spontaneous laughter. I like